Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer RED footage into Final Cut Pro workflow, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by organizing your RED footage in a dedicated folder on your hard drive. Connect your RED camera to your computer using a high-speed USB cable or card reader. If you're using an SD card, insert it into your computer's card reader. Open the RED Utilities software to manage file transfers efficiently. Select the option to transfer footage from the camera or card to your desired folder. Ensure that the data is copied, not moved, to keep the original files intact. Once the footage is transferred, open Final Cut Pro on your computer. In Final Cut Pro, create a new library or open an existing one where you want to import the RED footage. Go to the File menu and select Import followed by Media. In the Import dialog, navigate to the folder where you saved your RED files. Select the desired clips for import and click Import Selected. Be aware that Final Cut Pro will automatically create optimized media during the import process. Review your project settings to ensure they match your footage specifications, such as frame rate and resolution. Apply any necessary color space settings to optimize your clips for editing. Once the import is complete, your RED footage will appear in the browser of Final Cut Pro. Create a new timeline to start assembling your footage. Drag and drop the clips from the browser into the timeline. Now you can begin editing, applying transitions, effects, and audio adjustments as needed. Regularly save your project to prevent any data loss during the editing process. After completing your edit, you can export your project in the desired format. Make sure to check the export settings for the best quality output. With these steps, you have successfully transferred RED footage into your Final Cut Pro workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.